Hi, my name is Lene Swartz and I'm part of the Emerging Creative Class of 2020 at the Design Indaba. I'm a jeweler from Cape Town, so I've just completed my BTech where I've done a study in vitreous enamels. I thought it would be interesting to look at other ways of adding colour into jewellery because most people only know colour in jewellery by the use of gemstones, and gemstones are really expensive. So I thought how I could make it more affordable is by looking at materials that are also long-lasting but are also vibrant. So I had to look at resins and plastics versus vitreous enamel, which is glass, and obviously we don't want to do plastic because it's wasteful. And vitreous enamel is essentially coloured sand, so it's extremely sustainable. It's a product of the earth, the same as the metal. So the process involves washing the enamels and then carefully, extremely carefully, placing the enamels onto the piece. It's a process of playing around with different colors and figuring out the method and the methodology. I've done a range where I have some more high-end pieces all the way down to a diffused line with some essentials. That is just because everyone's got different needs. So I wanted to make pieces that not only people with a very big salary can afford, but that young people and students can also afford something that is going to last them, to be an heirloom or that won't fade with color. So with the Emerging Creatives platform, I hoped that I could bring this medium and show people what is possible. You know, you can have high-end pieces that might be a bit more traditional and conservative, or you can have younger pieces, you know, for the younger market that is way more affordable, but that isn't cheap, but it's still good looking, it's precious, it looks high-end, but it's at the fraction of the cost of precious stones. I love precious stones. I collect them and I hope to make lots of jewelry with them one day, but I do see that there is a need to have sustainable pieces, and by combining gemstones with enamel, you're giving people the idea of what they know with what might not be so familiar to them. I know once people see and get to know this amazing medium, they will start falling in love with this very fragile, very precious medium.